Hello, my dear students. Now, I continuing my lecture on errors, part 2. Errors, part 2. So, generally, how we express the errors? Errors can be expressed in the form of errors can be expressed in the form of L plus or minus delta L, otherwise A plus or minus delta A. Like this we represent errors. L plus or minus delta L, A plus or minus delta E. For example, error in B means how we express this is error in L. Error in L we express it like L plus or minus delta L. So error in A, how we express error in A plus or minus delta A. Error in B, how we express error in B, how we express here B plus or minus delta B. So generally error can be expressed in the form of L plus or minus delta L. So this is the form whether we consider error in L. So what is delta L here? So what is L here? Delta L is, so we got here, this is absolute error. Delta L is nothing but here absolute error, and L is nothing but here average error. So here delta L is called absolute error here, absolute error reading here, and L is called here average error reading here. So error can be expressed in the form of absolute error and average error. With the help of this absolute error and average error, we expressed the error here. L plus or minus delta L, A plus or minus delta A, B plus or minus delta B, whether we consider error in B. So now, what are the, how many mathematical expressions we had? So we had addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. These are mathematical operations. So how the error in addition, how we are finding error in case of subtraction, error in case of multiplication, error in case of division, we discuss one by one. First one is error in addition. Error in addition. So very important. So generally in case of NEET exam, so errors also plays a crucial role here. So based upon errors also questions are asked in case of NEET exam. So be focused students here. First topic is here error in addition. So let us consider Z is equal to A plus B. Z is equal to A plus B. How to find error in this addition? So how we represent error in Z? Z plus or minus delta Z. Already I told few minutes back, error can be expressed in the case of Z plus or minus delta Z, A plus or minus delta A plus B plus or minus delta B. Right, now Z plus or minus delta Z is equal to, so now I write this A plus B, these two as one part A plus B, and plus or minus delta A and plus or minus delta B. So here already we know from this Z is equal to A plus B, that's why this Z and A plus B going to be cancelled. Then what we got here, plus or minus delta Z is equal to plus or minus delta A plus or minus delta B. So now this plus or minus going to be cancelled. Then what we got here finally, delta Z is equal to delta A plus delta B. So this is error in addition. So if Z is equal to A plus B, then error in Z is equal to delta Z is equal to delta A plus delta B. This is in the case of error in addition. So now let us consider another example. If P is equal to Q plus R, means how we express it in error in addition? delta P is equal to delta Q plus delta R. So now it is easy. I think you all are understood this concept. If any expression like P is equal to Q plus 4 or C is equal to D plus E, then how to express in error here? Delta C is equal to delta D plus delta E. This is error in addition. Next topic, error in subtraction. Error in subtraction. Error in subtraction. So error in subtraction. So first let us consider Z is equal to A minus B. So how to find error in this case? Z plus or minus delta Z is equal to A plus or minus delta A minus B plus or minus delta B. So then we consider here Z plus or minus delta Z is equal to A minus B. Write as A minus B plus or minus delta A. So minus into plus, minus into minus plus here delta B. So like this we got here. Next after that, this Z and A minus B going to be cancelled because Z is equal to A minus B now here. So Z and A minus B going to be cancelled. What is left here? Plus or minus delta Z is equal to plus or minus delta A minus plus delta B. So this is the, here we got a result. Then how we express it here in this case? So how we express here in this? So here observe carefully. Plus delta A, how many possibilities are there here? Plus delta A minus delta B. Plus delta A minus delta B. And here plus delta A plus delta B. And second possibility plus delta A plus delta B. This is second possibility. Next minus delta A minus delta B. Minus delta A minus delta B. This is third possibility. Next minus delta A plus delta B, minus delta A plus delta B. These are the four possibilities from this result. Then what we consider finally? In these four possibilities, what we consider? What is error in here? Subtraction. What we consider? So here this is not considered, this is not considered, this is not considered. This only we consider. Why only we consider this plus delta and plus delta B? Because error is always positive. Error should measured always in positive. We should not consider negative values. Negative. So error is always positive. So that's why here negative is there. That's why it is eliminated. Here negative is there. It is eliminated. Here negative is there. It is eliminated. We consider only here plus delta A and plus delta B. Therefore, how we express Z is equal to A minus B? So we express Z is equal to A minus B in the form of delta Z is equal to delta A plus delta B. So this is error in subtraction. This is error in subtraction. Delta Z is equal to delta A plus delta B. So I think you all are understood whether error in addition we expressed as Z is equal to A plus B means if given data, then how we find error in addition? Delta Z is equal to delta A plus delta B. If Z is equal to A minus B is given data, then error in subtraction how to find? Delta Z is equal to delta A minus delta A minus A is given, B is given, then how to find delta Z is equal to delta A plus delta B. This is error in subtraction. Next error in multiplication. Error in multiplication. Error in multiplication. So here the most important thing is error is always measured in positive. Error is always measured in positive here. Next, error in multiplication. Error in multiplication. So let us consider z is equal to a into b, z plus or minus delta z. So a plus or minus delta a into b plus or minus delta b. Next, z plus or minus delta z is equal to a into b. Next, a plus or minus delta b, a plus or minus delta b, then plus or minus delta a into b, then plus or minus delta a into delta b, delta b. So generally in case of physics, delta a into delta b, delta a means very smaller value, delta b means change in smaller value. Both these two are smaller values, that's why it is a very negligible value. We consider as this is a 0. So then this value we got z plus or minus delta z is equal to what we got here, a into b and plus a plus or minus delta. So whether we consider, simply I consider here just divided with this one with z here, just divided with this z here. So both sides divides with z. So then what we got here, z plus or minus delta z by z is equal to a into b by z. Next, a plus or minus delta b, so by z plus or minus delta a into b by z. So like this we got here, both sides divide with z. So then what we got here, so z is equal to a into b, then this is cancelled, then z by z means what we got here, 1 plus or minus delta z by z, 1. So what we got here, 1 plus here a plus or minus delta b by a into b here. So then what we got from this, so plus or minus delta a into b by so this is observe carefully here, a into b is the first one, then plus or minus a into delta b, this is a into delta b. So sorry, this is a into delta b, observe carefully, a into b plus or minus delta a into b. So plus or minus, observe carefully, first I start from a into b here, and again plus or minus a into delta b, and again plus or minus delta a into b, plus or minus delta a into delta b. That means what is this, a into delta b, this is a into delta b, this is delta a into b. So now a into delta b by b, then a going to be cancelled, delta a into b by a into b here, b going to be cancelled. Then what is the final value left here? So we got here final value, so 1 plus or minus delta z by z is equal to 1 plus delta b by b plus delta a by a. This value is left here, both sides 1 is there, 1 going to be cancelled. Then final value what we got, ma, delta z by z is equal to delta a by a plus delta b by b. So this is very important, error in multiplication. If z is equal to a into b, then it is expressed in the case of delta z by z is equal to delta a by a plus delta b by b. This is a error expressed in case of multiplication. So for example, if p is equal to q into r is there, then how we express it in simply delta p by p, error in multiplication, delta p by p is equal to delta q by q plus delta r by r. So very easy. If If any problem, if P is equal to Q into R, C is equal to D into E, like this expression is given, find error in multiplication means just we take delta P by P is equal to delta Q by Q plus delta R by R. So what is here delta P by P? Relative error in P. Delta Q by Q, relative error in Q. Delta R by R, relative error in R. So this is error in multiplication. Next, what we are considering here? Error in division. Error in division. So last mathematical operation, error in division. Error in division. Error in division. How we express it here in case of error in division? So error in division. Error in division. Error in division. So how we express error in division here? Let Z is equal to A by B. Division means A by B. So then delta Z plus R minus delta Z is equal to, so how we consider here simply, so whenever like this is given, so how we express here Z is equal to, so this can be expressed as Z is equal to A into B power minus 1, because here B is in denominator, B power 1 is there, then it can be expressed as B power minus 1. So then now we will change it to multiplication. So then delta Z by Z, like this forms are given, delta Z by Z, delta A by A, delta A by A. So whatever the power is there, that power will moves to forward. Whenever powers are there, for example A power n is there, so then how to find error here? N into delta A by A. It's very important. Whenever power is there, it is forwarded to front, forwarded to front. That means here power minus 1 is there, it is forwarded to front. What we got here, we don't consider here minus value, so that's why we consider here plus 1 into delta B by B, because it is power is 1, that is forwarded here. So that means error in division, how we find here? Delta Z by Z is equal to delta A by A plus delta B by B. For example, so if it is given Z is equal to some A cube, so then how to find error here? Delta Z by Z is equal to 3 should be forwarded, 3 into delta A by A. So like this, whenever power is there, that is forwarded. For example, Z is equal to A power minus 3 is given. So in that case also, Z is equal to 3 into delta A by A. So why we not consider here minus 3? Here 3 is there, it is forwarded. Here minus 3 is that this is also forwarded, but error is always positive. That's why we are taking here minus 3 is forwarded, but we don't consider as minus here. So that's why 3 into delta A by A. 3 into delta A by A. So this is error in division.